Alright guys, we're trying something here. Propped up my phone, we'll see how that works. Not quite sure. Use just a little smoke, not much. These bees in this hive here are pretty calm for the most part. Looks like they're a little burr comb here. Nothing too major. Thought I'd give you guys a little intro on. We got two brood boxes here, one stacked up on top of each other. For those of you who don't know what a brood box is, that's where the queen lays her eggs. And what they do is they make what's called propolis. Stick all this stuff together. That frame's completely empty, but that's the end frame, so they usually are. Looks like my phone doesn't want to cooperate here. Stay upright. See? I got this filled out with some pollen and nectar. A couple of pretty big looking bees there. That's the second frame in to the second brood box. When you're picking these frames up, you want to go straight up. Last thing I want to do is roll the queen. Yeah, these girls got lots of room, I think. There's some capped brood. Don't know if you can see some of the larvae in there. But there's larvae in there. Cap brood. That's the third frame, or fourth frame in, I'm sorry. This is all capped brood too. It looks good. That's middle frame. And the next one to it is all capped. Alright. I'm not going to mess around with this top box anymore. Actually, what I might do is pull this end frame, see what they're doing on this side. those are starting to fill with a little nectar. That one looks like it. Probably ready for a super. Alright, well, I'm going to check the second box, but I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll give you a little introduction on multiple hive checks. This is just one. Have a good day.